Lids that do it all, store leftovers. Keep food warm before serving. Cover your pots and pans while cooking on the stovetop. Use in the microwave to prevent splatters. Declutter by replacing your traditional lids. These multi-purpose silicone lids will be your most used kitchen tool. Made without BPA and heat resistant, made with premium, food-safe silicone made without BPA. Heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for safe use on the stove and in the microwave. Earth-friendly replaces disposable plastic wrap, the perfect alternative for plastic wrap and foil. Saving you time and saving you money. To make an airtight seal, place lid on a smooth-rimmed container or pot. Pull up gently on the lid's knob to make sure there's an airtight seal. Dishwasher safe. Each lid is 100% dishwasher safe and stain resistant, making these lids as easy to clean as they are to use. Stackable and space saving. All three sizes stack for to save space. Replace your traditional cookware lids with Goodful stackable, universal lids for the ultimate declutter hack. Set includes 7 diameter silicone universal lid, 9 diameter silicone universal lid and 11 diameter silicone universal lid. Put a lid on it with this 3-pack of silicone universal lids. Use them to cover any piece of cookware or pop them over containers to avoid microwave messes. Place them in the dishwasher and they're ready to use again tomorrow. How handy. Top reviews from the United States. Cephal when heating dishes in the microwave. You get 3 sizes of circular, silicone lids, 7-inch, 9-inch, and 11-inch diameter. They are oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe, though they are floppy enough and big enough that I don't see how to effectively wash them in the dishwasher. They're pretty simple to wash my hand, anyway. The lids are circles of silicone with a raised round knob to lift and move them. There is also a loop on one edge that can be used to hang them. We use these with both round and square dishes when heating them in the microwave to prevent splatters. We've been very happy with this. We don't really have pots and pans without lids, but these could be used with them while cooking. As long as the top of the round or square dish is flat and smooth, these could be set on the dish and the smooth underside helps create a seal of sorts on the dish if you need to store something in the refrigerator. Not the most efficient use of space, but it does do it. Note that if you put the underside of these lids on the counter, then you have to pry them up because they stick to the counter. Anyway, we got these mainly for the use in the microwave, and we're very happy with that.